Yesterday, we completed our water, sewage, and power connection. We were very fortunate that there was 12 gauge cable coming into the existing box. With 12 gauge cable, we were able to increase our load at the breaker to 30 amp breakers and put 2 in. And then that way we were able to split the power to create 2 ports of power. If we had 14 gauge, we wouldn't have been able to split off the power. We wouldn't have been able to increase the breakers in the box, in the panel. So that 12 gauge allowed us to have ample power to put in 30 amp breakers and split the power between 2 different sites. So I had, of course, an electrician come in and help me with that because I don't mess around with power. Not yet, although power is pretty straightforward, but still, you want to make sure everything's safe and working properly. So I had that done properly by an electrician. All the other plumbing I did myself. Super easy to split off the water line, as I discussed in other videos, and create 2 outlets. So we have 2 water sources, and then of course our plumbing extension. So I teed off our plumbing and I built a port up top. So today I'm going to do a water test, make sure there's no leaks in my line, and then I'm going to start filling back in.